overboard. I don't wanna stop now. You just struck a chord, spinning me around.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know why my hair keeps... I think we're good. Welcome back to my channel. I want to say happy February. I love the month of February because I get to play with like different neutral colors and pastel colors for different looks. So this is like the second year of being on YouTube, creating like a February Valentine's look for you guys. So the first look that I decided to do, I asked you guys last night what you guys wanted to see, if you guys wanted to see a bold look or a soft look. So I decided to do the one that was most highly requested. I'm having a lot of tongue twisters lately, bear with me. Like I was saying, you guys wanted to see more of a softer look, so this is the look that I created today. I usually don't like wearing a lot of pinks just because I am such a neutral person. I love brown tones, but I wanted to step out of my comfort zone for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below what you guys want to see next. Sorry for the background noise. My neighbors are watching a movie really loud, so please bear with me. But yeah, so thank you so much for all that you guys do, for your support, for all the love, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So the first thing I'm using is going to be this Pearl Essence Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mist, and then I'm going with my Hydrate and Restore Ultra Hydration Facial Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer. It's very hydrating for the skin, and it doesn't make my face really oily. It kind of keeps them really hydrated. The next product that I'm using is going to be by e.l.f. and it's going to be this primer. It's really good for oily skin. I normally use it in my T-zone just because I tend to get very oily in those areas. And then the next thing I'm going to be using is my Nars Tinted Moisturizer. It's really good for all skin types. I feel like it gives me really good coverage, so that's the reason why I always use it. But yeah, so then the next product that I'm going to start using is going to be the Too Faced Peach Sweet and Peaches palette. I don't know why I keep having tongue twisters today. So the first color that I'm using for the Sweet Peach palette is going to be White Peach and Nectar, just to kind of set my eyes. And then I'm going to go back with Peaches and Cream just to set my eyes again. This look is going to be very minimal, and it's just going to be a very soft look for Valentine's Day, something very quick and easy. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to be using this neutral tone from the Modern Renaissance palette. So the color that I'm using from the Modern Renaissance palette, it's called Raw Sienna, and it's more like a neutral tone just to give the eyes the transition color. And I'm really focusing that all over the crease. So after I'm done using the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to go with my Too Faced Glitter Glue and put that all over the lid before I put my Inglot pigment. So this pigment doesn't really have a name, it has a number. I will make sure to link that down below for you guys. So I'm focusing that pigment in my lids. I wanted to do something very soft, very easy for you guys. So that's why I chose this look for the first look of Valentine's Day. And then I'm going with my Shape Tape concealer in tan. So after I'm done using my concealer and setting my eyes, I'm going to go and use my Smashbox powder just to set my makeup. I actually like this powder because it doesn't make my makeup look cakey, and it just sits really well on my skin. I usually use this powder all the time, so I'll make sure to link down below all the information for you guys. So after I am done with this powder, I'm going to go and start doing my wing liner. So the liner that I'm using is by NYX, and it's in the vinyl, because there's two different ones. There's one that's kind of like a really black liner, and the other one's more gray. So the one that I use is called vinyl. But yeah, so I start doing my liner kind of like at the end of my eye, and then I just start bringing it in all together midway and creating that wing. One of my secrets when it comes to eyeliner, I like to use a flat brush and just make sure that the edges are sharp. So that's one of my tips to making eyeliner look more sharp and perfect. So after I am done putting shadow underneath my lash line, I'm gonna go and use this bronzer by Milani. The name of the bronzer is called Soleil number 5, and it's like one of their baked bronzers. Shea Mitchell usually raves about this bronzer, how they gives you like a natural glow, and it's not so much like, it's not so harsh on the skin, but it makes it look natural and glowy. And of course, I'm going to be using my highlighter by Estee Lauder in Heat Wave. This highlighter is amazing. It kind of reminds me of the new highlighter that Amrezy came out with, but I can't wait to try the one from Amrezy to see how it would apply and just to compare them. So after I am done using the highlighter, I'm going to apply NYX lip liner in natural before I apply my lipstick on. And I'm just going to overlay my lips just a little tiny bit. So after I'm done with that, I'm going to go and use Lipland liquid lipstick in the color 50/50. This lipstick is a little bit more like in the pink side, so more of a neutral, more of a natural. Hopefully you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
The energy, it's the chemistry, oh. Give me something that I never had. Give me something that'll meet you halfway. A little something that's gonna make it last. One for you, one for me. I need your loving. Give me something. All or nothing. Keep me buzzing, 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 buzzing. Fire in your eyes, striking me like lightning. Woman of my soul, always hypnotizing. It's the energy, it's the chemistry, oh. Give me something that I never had. Give me something that'll meet you